Well, the Policing Vision of 2025 recognised that policing is becoming very complex. By having a professionalised, evidence-based police force, that gains confidence and trust from our societies and our communities, and therefore also promotes a more positive culture in policing. In year 3 of our programmes, the students are expected to do a dissertation, which is an evidence-based research project.
Evidence-based research projects that the students do in year 3, they're based on a wide number of topic areas that are important to the police force itself, but also important areas for them to research and analyse in relation to supporting the public out there. The project is shared with the force afterwards. There's a number of specialist officers that may read their projects, and the force may benefit from the recommendations that they have made within their projects. But it's about recognising that these officers are the future of policing and that their ideas are important to share, and recognising that you've got a talent pool of officers there that can support the force going forward.